Hello, everyone. Welcome to our challenge that my mom decided to challenge ourselves, trying different foods that we normally haven't tried before. So, we have three different things. What do you want to start with first?
Let's start with the drink, because we might need it
Uh,
after we get to
well.
trying these.
Gummies, don't worry
Well,
me.
we have some, how do you say that? Bubbly,
Bubbly, or-
sparkling water.
Sorry, we don't have Michael Bublé here trying to write over that.
It's lime flavor with other natural flavors, though. I have my little A&W mugs. We're going to
do our own shots here, apparently. Like we're doing shots here.
Let's see. Oh, it smells like 7-Up.
Ew.
Does not taste like
That
7-Up.
tastes like Alka-Seltzer.
No.
You know what Alka-Seltzer tastes like when you're sick? You drink that stuff. This is exactly what it is. I don't taste any lime in that at all.
We should have put some orange juice in there.
Ew.
Oh,
So, you want something that tastes like Alka-Seltzer drink?
Yeah.
There you go.
We've never had sparkling water before, so that's
I wouldn't even
not a good
taste
thing
any
for
fruit
us.
in it.
Though I might need that once I taste this other stuff. I'll leave mine over here.
That's okay.
So this is what we have is Fresh Pick Goodness Harvest Snack Green Pea Snack Crisp. Very healthy.
Probably didn't add one thing when you think of pea-flavored snacks.
Well, let's see. They do look like peas. Oh my goodness.
Oops, don't. They almost look like penne pasta.
I'm not a pea fan. Enjoy.
That's not bad.
Oh, good. You can have those. Oh, I do not like those.
Yeah, would you be able to tell what this is if I didn't tell you this?
Well, they look like peas, and yeah, you can taste the pea flavor. But if you like peas, you love peas, these are great. Okay, but me, no. Gotta wash it down.
That's not bad.
You can have the rest of those.
Oh, apparently we have a third member coming
No.
up.
No. All right, now we got some healthy candy. This is Mystery Monkeys gummy candy. We're
Had
gonna
to throw
see
candy in there.
what these taste like. I have no idea what these mystery flavors are, so. Okay. Open those. I hate those bags. You can't open them.
That was fun. Well, I don't know what flavors these are, obviously, but
Well, I'm gonna go with a blue. I think the
that looks
green.
green.
No, they're different.
Maybe
One of these might be
green.
watermelon, and I'm not a watermelon fan, so I'm gonna try the blue. Go ahead. What's your flavor?
I can't really.
Okay.
I can't tell. That's either cherry or strawberry. I don't know. That's what I would
This
say.
is horrible.
Huh?
The blue. It doesn't even taste like anything. It's like tar or something. Ugh. I don't have a garbage can or I'd spit it out.
There's one way over there.
I'm gonna. Well, I'll try one of each. Let's see.
Yeah.
There's a green,
The blue's not.
a pink, and a
Honestly,
blue.
the pink was pretty much. I couldn't tell what that was.
No, I'm gonna try the green. There's no flavor. That's weird.
I don't know.
They forgot to put the flavor in the green ones.
I thought I tasted watermelon, but I'm not sure.
I'm just tasting a fruit flavor. I guess that's why they call them mystery monkeys, because you have no idea what the flavor is. Alright, I'm trying the pink. Yeah, no, it's a mystery. Oh my gosh, I have no idea what flavor this is. And then on the
And the
back-
monkeys itself, see no evil, hear no evil, say no evil.
Oh, I didn't notice that. Well, that's so cool. You see that?
Because they couldn't tell, because they couldn't see it, hear it, or taste it by looking at
It
them.
doesn't say what the flavors are on the back, so who knows? All right, let me get this out of my mouth. Drink some more bubbly to get it down.
I'll pass on that. I'm not that.
You get used it's like that vitamin Vegemin. You get used to it after a while, but I'm not getting drunk on it.
Yeah.
I have one more challenge. He loves those new Lay's brands potato chips that come out. he got fried green tomatoes. Not a tomato fan, but I love ketchup. Figure that one out. And
Although,
pizza sauce and spaghetti sauce.
I don't think green and red tomatoes taste the same, though.
So I'm going to try one. I've never had one. He loves these, but I don't know.
I like the spice in them. It's not overly spicy, but
Alright.
I never actually had a green tomato before, but...
They don't look like tomato. Okay. I'm kind of scared to try this because I'm not one for trying new foods. I am the pickiest eater ever. And
yeah. Growing up, we knew that. She never cooked us anything exotic like Grandma did.
yeah, so I'm sorry. It's my fault. But, so here it goes. I hope it's not spicy. I don't like spicy. Oh, even worse. It's horrible. Oh my gosh. Oh.
That can't be the worst chip you've ever had.
Oh,
They've made worse flavors than that.
Just get this out of my mouth. It's horrible.
Have some horrible bootleg then.
I still have some left. I'll let you have the rest. Nah. If you're not used to a weird taste, you might not like these, but if you like fried green tomatoes, you'll love them. This not my bag, sorry. I think I need more bubbly.
As you see, we have a live audience member with us.
Well, he doesn't get to give his partial
Alright, if they your
his
first...
opinion. No, he can't have those. He doesn't get an opinion. He doesn't get it.
Yeah.
He's not breaking the challenges here. He can't do that unless we do his dog treats, but I don't think we want to taste the dog treats.
Want them up here?
Well, we hope you enjoyed our challenge. It was fun. And next time, I'm kind of scared because he's going to pick the drink and the snack we try. He likes spicy stuff, so I'm afraid I'm going to be in trouble. But I will try it but hopefully it's not like a flaming hot stuff. Oh, I can't take that. But we'll see what he's going to get. But next time, it's his turn to pick.
Yep.
Let's hope it's something good that I like. But I don't think it'll be another bubbly.
Yeah. Probably not.
Well, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Alright.